Hi guys! So, nandito tayo ngayon to solve this basic integral. So, the integral of 9x plus 2 dx all over x squared plus x minus 6. So, first of all, i-check din nyo palagi if this problem is feasible to partial fraction decomposition yung denominator natin since mas mataas yung degree nito compare sa numerator. So, using your calculator para mas mabilis natin makita. So, click natin yung mode 5 equation tapos yung 3. Yan. So, enter lang natin yung mga coefficients no denominator natin. So, the coefficient for x squared that is 1. Tapos, the coefficient of b which is yung x that is already 1 as well. Tapos, yung c natin is negative 6. Ayan. Since may values yung ating yung or merong roots rather yung quadratic equation natin wherein x sub 1 is equal to 2 and yung x sub 2 na is equal to negative 3. So we can rewrite this therefore 9x plus 2 dx all over ano ulit? X sub 1 is equal to 2. Gawin nyo lang negative to. So magiging x minus 2. Ayan. Tapos yung isa, since negative to, gagawin natin positive. X plus 3. Ayan. So, nakuha na natin yung roots or yung quadratic equation na factor out na natin. So, ayan. Since i-integrate natin to with respect to that partial differentiation, so magiging 9x plus 2 is equal to a all over x minus 2 plus b all over x plus 3. Tapos, solve lang natin. 9x plus 2 is equal to ano yung a? A times x plus 3. Diba? X plus 3 plus b x minus 2. Tapos, ililet x lang natin. Say for example, this one, if you want na makancel itong buong b, kudin mo lang yung value ng x na kung saan magzi-0 to. So, kailan ba siya magzi-0? Kapag yung x mo is equal to 2. So, 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. 0 times b is equal to cancel. So, 0 na siya. So, when x is equal to 2, so, substitute natin to dito sa x. 9 times 2 plus 2 is equal to 8 times 2 plus 3. Yan. Oops. Yan. Tapos, 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. So, magiging 5e siya. Tapos, 9 times 2 is 18. Plus 2 is equal to 20. 20 is equal to 5e. So, divide natin both sides by 5 to get the value of a. So, 20 divide 5 is equal to 4. Ayan yung a natin. Next, balik ulit tayo dito sa original equation. Now, get the value of x na kung saan magsi-0 naman tong buong equation. Yung a times x plus 3 quantity. So, since para maging 0 to, i-let x natin is equal to negative 3. Negative 3 plus 3 is equal to 0. Therefore, ito ay magiging cancel or 0 na. So, next part is 9 times negative 3 plus 2 is equal to b times negative 3 minus 2. So, 9 times negative 3 is equal to negative 27 plus 2 is equal to negative 25. Is equal to negative 3 minus 2 is equal to negative 5. Negative 5b. Divide natin both sides by negative 5. Therefore, our answer would be 5. Ayan. Pwede na natin ito i-plug doon dito sa original value. Hence, a is equal to 4. So, magiging 4 all over x minus 2 plus b natin is 5 all over x plus 3. Therefore, ating i-integrate natin dx. Okay? So, ba't punta tayo dito? So, let u is equal to x minus 2 and u is equal to x plus 3. So, ito, labas natin. So, magiging 4 dx du all over u plus 5 du all over u. What is the derivative? What is the integral of this part? Diba ln of u? So, magiging ang sagot is 4 ln of u plus 5 ln of u. Yung u natin is ito. Ito yung u ng isa, ito yung u ng dalawa. Yung pangalawa. So, magiging sagot is 4 ln of, what is u? X minus 2 plus 5 ln of x plus 3 plus c. So that is your final answer, this integral. So if you're going to verify if this is correct, now you're going to what? Use your calculator for verification. So how are you going to do that? I-type mo tong buong function, itong 9x plus 2, 9 alpha x plus 2 all over x squared plus x minus 6, alpha x squared plus alpha x minus 6. Tapos mag-solve ka ng value of x, anything na malapit sa 1, malapit sa 2, or anything else. Sabihin natin 2. Okay, math error. Bakit? Check mo rin kasi baka mamaya nag-equal siya sa 0, naging undefined. So, wag natin sabihin calc is equal to, sabihin natin 1. Okay, merong value, negative 2.75. Negative 11 over 4. Tapos, i-store natin to sa A. Paano? Pindutin mo yung shift, tapos ito, yung RCL. I-store niya, tapos pindutin mo to para mag-store siya sa A. Ayan, makikita nyo ans A, tapos pindutin nyo lang yung AC for it to store. Para ma-verify niyo kung nag-store nga ba talaga yung value, alpha A lang. Ayan, tapos equal. Diba nag-store? Ngayon, punta ka dito. Diba this is your original answer? You're going to differentiate that. Okay? Differentiate by using this one. Shift integral. Tapos type mo to. 4ln. Since ln yan, at diba naka-absolute value. So, lalagyan mo yan siya ng absolute value sa loob. Absolute value, ito, shift, tapos height. Ayan. Absolute value, alpha x minus 2. Tapos, ang sunod, plus 5 ln ng x plus 3. Absolute value ulit, alpha x plus 3. Ayan. Tapos, isolve natin when x is equal to 1. Diba yun yung kanina ginamit natin? Equals yun lang. Ayan. Since may lumabas siya number, negative 2.75, divide niya siya dun sa in-store mong number. Alpha A. Kapag yan nag-equal sa 1, hence your answer is correct. So, that is your technique kapag multiple choice yung multiple choice naman yung inyong problem with regards to integration. This all applies to all integration techniques including derivative, including trigonometric, hyperbolic, inverse trigonometric, and anything else. So, ayun po. I hope you learned something to this lesson and good luck to your qualified exam.